Imagine tapping into the secret creative arsenal of influential figures like Leonardo da Vinci, Mark Twain, and Virginia Woolf. What if I told you that a simple yet powerful tool, not one, but 2 notebooks, could be the key to unlocking your full writing potential? Today we're about to reveal the secret of this age-old practice and how it can supercharge your writing game. Now let's talk about why having 2 notebooks in your life is a game changer. It's all about making things easier, more creative, and super productive. First up, we've got improved organization. Picture this: 1 notebook for your daily to-dos, deadlines, and schedules. A reliable wingman to keep you on track. The second notebook? It's like your creative playground where ideas can run wild without disrupting your plans. But wait, there's more. Having 2 notebooks can supercharge your creativity and productivity. It's like having a magic wand for your imagination. 1 notebook is for structured tasks, and the other is where the creative sparks fly. And this balance helps you get stuff done efficiently while still leaving room for your brilliant ideas. Let's also talk about efficient planning and idea management. With 2 notebooks, you can separate the practical from the imaginative. Your plans stay organized and crystal clear, while your ideas have a special dedicated place to flourish. So, in a nutshell, using 2 notebooks simplifies your life, boosts your creative powers, and keeps your plans on point. But don't take my word for it. Take Agatha Christie's, the queen of mystery. She carried notebooks everywhere she went. She crafted intricate plots, memorable characters, and unforgettable mysteries in those pages. You might say her notebooks were the key to her success. George Orwell also swore by the use of notebooks. His notebooks were like a trove of ideas, political musings, and descriptions. They were the birthplace of novels like 1984 and Animal Farm. And J.K. Rowling. Before the world knew about Harry Potter, Rowling penned her ideas in a notebook during a train journey. And that notebook gave birth to a literary phenomenon that captivated millions of readers worldwide. Not to mention a few movies. And these authors and many others relied on their notebooks as tools and companions in their writing endeavors. These notebooks were more than paper and ink. They were the backbone of their creative processes. Now, let's look at how using 2 notebooks can be a game changer when organizing your writing tasks and unleashing your creative potential. First, we have the Do Items notebook. This companion is your go-to guide for daily writing to-dos. It's like having a GPS for your writing day. This simple practice can help you streamline your schedule and make your writing process smoother. Then we've got the Creative Thoughts notebook. This is about recording your ideas, thoughts, and brainstorms. It's that dedicated parking spot for your creative sparks. And it's important to separate these broad ideas from actionable items. This way you can keep your creative juices flowing without losing track of what needs to be done. And many people like this creative notebook to be smaller or pocket-sized, so it's always with you. And authors can regularly revisit this notebook to inform and inspire their planning notebook. It's a cyclical process that ensures your creative ideas translate into concrete actions. So with these 2 notebooks by your side, you can control your writing schedule, keep your thoughts organized, and transform your creative sparks into real achievements. It's a practical approach that can make a difference in your writing journey. Let's talk about something fascinating: the rehearsal loop. It's a simple but powerful idea that begins with writing things down. When you put your thoughts on paper, it's like giving your mind a chance to rehearse. It's similar to practicing a song before a big performance. This process of writing helps declutter your thoughts and create mental order. And here's the exciting part. As you clear the mental clutter, it frees up space for better mental focus and creativity. It's like sweeping away cobwebs to reveal a clear path to your most brilliant ideas. Not long ago, I had a jumble of ideas for video scripts that connect literature and psychology. After all, my education and teaching experience are in both disciplines, and I like bringing them together. When the ideas were just swirling around, it felt a bit overwhelming. There were just tons of possibilities. And once I started writing ideas down, I began to feel more focused. Ultimately, I honed in on a Lacanian analysis of the character Pierre Bezukhov in War and Peace. And I've put the link to that video in the description just in case you want to check it out. The point, however, is that this is an example of the rehearsal loop in action. So remember, when you write things down, you're not just jotting words on paper. You're fine-tuning your mental orchestra for a symphony of clarity and creativity. It's a neat trick anyone can use to boost their mental game. Now, let's talk about a cool technique. Capturing quotes in your creative notebook and why it's like a secret productivity booster. Imagine this. You're going about your day and stumble upon a quote that really clicks with you. It could be something motivational, inspirational, or just downright wise. But don't let it slip away. Instead, jot it down in your creative notebook. Here's the magic behind it. Revisiting these inspiring quotes can give you a mighty dose of motivation. It's like having a pocket-sized pep talk whenever you need it. These quotes can lift your spirits, ignite your creativity, and keep you on track. Now, how can you incorporate this into your daily routine? It's easy. Keep a small section in your creative notebook for quotes. Whenever you come across one, scribble it down. You can even set aside a few minutes each day to read through your collection and watch how it boosts your productivity and keeps those creative fires burning. So, let's wrap up what we've learned today. We've discovered that using 2 notebooks can be a game changer for your daily life. It's all about better organization, enhanced creativity, and efficient planning and idea management. It's simple yet effective, and it can supercharge your writing game. Now, here's your call to action. I encourage you to give it a try. Experiment with using 2 notebooks in your daily routine. See how it works for you. And don't forget to share your thoughts, experiences, and any additional tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and know your support means the world. And if you enjoyed this video and want more content related to writing and literature, maybe a bit of psychology, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay inspired, keep writing, and until next time,